All right, solving quadratic equations using completing the square. Completing the square is so dumb to me, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do it anyways. We're gonna start off x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. First thing I'm gonna do is move this 7 to the other side. So I'm gonna add 7, x squared plus 6x equals 7. Then I got to cut this 6 in half. So what I do is 6 times 1/2, and then you square this. So 6 times 1/2 is 6/2, ends up being 6/2, ends up being 3. So we get 3 squared. Oh, I did not even work there. And then 3 squared is 9. And so we're looking like x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. This is what we got so far. Next, we do the perfect square. So this is a perfect square. X squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square. So we do x plus 3 parentheses squared, and then 7 plus 9 right here is 16. So 16. Now this x plus 3 squared equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. And I'm going to just go down and just show y'all real quick. X plus 3 times x plus 3. I'm doing this just to show y'all that this equals this. So we got x squared plus the x squared, and then plus 3x, and then plus 3x, and then plus 6. Oh, nope, 3 times 3 is 9. My bad. Three plus 9. So we got x squared plus 6x plus 9. Boom, which is the same thing as this up here. X squared plus 6x plus 9. So I'm going to erase this. So y'all seen that. Okay, so we're back to here. X plus 3 squared equals 16. So to get this squared away, we have to square root it. So we're going to square root this, and then we're going to square root this. This square root gets rid of this squared right here. So this cancels out, leaves us with x plus 3 equals plus or minus square root 16. I'm going to move down a little bit. The square root of 16 is 4. So right now we are at x plus 3 equals plus or minus 4. And now we got two scenarios. So our two scenarios is x plus 3 equals positive 4, or x plus 3 equals negative 4. So minus the 3 here, minus the 3 here, x equals 1, or x equals minus the 3, negative 7. So this is your answer right here. X equals 1 or x equals negative 7. All right, the next problem we're going to do is x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals 0. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 5. So we got x squared minus 8x equals negative 5. Next thing I'm going to do, negative 8. I got to cut that in half. So negative 8 times 1/2. So cut it in half is negative 4. It'd be negative 4. And then you got to square it, which is 16. So then I'm going to bring it over here. We got x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals negative 5 plus 16. Negative 5 plus 16 is 11. So we're just going to leave that right there. And then this is x minus, this is a perfect square now. So this is a perfect square now. So x minus 4 squared equals 11. Because negative 5 plus 16 is 11. All right, so remember this x minus 4 squared equals x squared minus 8x plus 16. So we're going to square root that, gets rid of this, ends up being x minus 4 equals plus or minus square root 11. So now we got two scenarios. Let me scroll down a little bit. So we got two scenarios, x minus 4 equals positive square root 11, or x minus 4 equals negative square root 11, plus 4 plus 4. So x equals 4 plus square root 11, or plus 4 plus 4, or x equals 4 minus square root 11. That is your answer there. Hopefully I explained that good enough for y'all. Let me know. And that's it.